Okay. Okay, today I want to ask you about some words. I want to see if you know what it means and if you can make a sentence with the words.
Yes.
Okay, let me... Okay, first you're going to read the words for me.
I just got crack of dawn.
Okay.
Herculean. By watch. Aesthetic about something and inspire.
Okay, what does crack of dawn mean? What is the definition?
It means the early part of the morning when the sun first appears.
Okay, good. So now can you tell me a sentence?
I woke up at the crack of dawn so that I could avoid the morning traffic.
Okay, avoid the morning traffic. Very good. Okay, so now let's look at our next word. Herculean.
Is needing great strength and determination.
Okay, good. And sentence?
If a Herculean task of working 65 hours in a week.
Okay, good. Binge watch.
Binge watch is to watch several is by short
Episodes.
episode separate parts of a television series or programs one after another.
Okay.
Sentence is last night I watched this 7 episodes of a Game of Thrones.
Okay, I want you to say binge. Binge watch.
Binge what?
Good. Okay. Ecstatic about something.
Ecstatic about something is extremely happy.
Good. Okay. Sentence?
I was ecstatic about passing my calculus test today.
Okay, good. Calculus is like math. Inspire.
Inspire is to make someone feel that they want to do something and can do it. A sentence is, after listening to the presentation, I felt inspired to donate to charity.
Okay. Do you understand all the words? You understand what it means?
Yes.
Okay, you can ask me now if there's some word you don't understand, then I can help you. Because now I'm going to take it away and I want you to read the words, then you're going to tell me definition and sentence, but you're not going to read it. So are you happy with everything? Do you need help with any of the words? Yeah. Happy? Okay, now I'm going to take it away. And then you're going to tell me. Okay, crack of dawn. What does it mean? What is the definition?
Is a early part of the morning. When we wake up, we see the sun is rise.
Okay, the sun has risen. Good. Can you give me a sentence with the crack of dawn?
I often wake up at the crack of dawn, so I can enjoy the beautiful atmosphere.
Yes, very good. Okay. Herculean.
Is there need as a need determination
And great, okay. Needing great strength and determination.
and great strength and determination.
Okay, great strength means you're very strong. Okay, can you give me a sentence with Herculean?
I have a Herculean exam, but I have already done it by the end.
Okay, yes, okay. Herculean is you need, or very good. Oh, sorry, let me. Put my phone off here. Okay, he faced the Herculean task. Very good. Okay. Binge watch.
Is to watch the several
Episodes.
episodes of a series or program and continue.
Okay, at one time. Okay, so you watch them all in one night. Okay, give me a sentence with binge watch.
That night, I binge watched 7 exposure of a game ton.
Okay, good. I want you to say the word properly though. Binge watch.
Binge watch.
Okay, and episode.
Episodes.
Episode. Okay, let me show you how we say it. Okay, so we say it like binge watch. Okay. Okay, binge watch and episode. Or we say episode actually, okay? Episode. Episode. Like that. Episode. Okay, happy? Okay, ecstatic about something.
Yes. Very happy. Very happy.
Yes. Okay. What is your sentence?
I was ecstatic about my birthday gift from my friends.
Very good. Okay, good. Inspire.
I don't really remember it.
Okay, let's show it. To make someone feel that they want to do something and they can do it. Okay, so let me give you another example. We won't look at this sentence. I'm going to tell you another sentence. Okay, so if you make somebody want to do something. So if you come home from school and there's a big test, but you don't want to study for it. And I say to you, but think about how good you'll get such a good score. And I tell you that you will be so clever. And then one day you're going to have a good job. Okay, I am inspiring you to study for the test. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so if I inspire you, I'm telling you that you can and you want to do something. I'm helping you to want to do something. So we can say a sentence like, my teacher inspires me to do well at school. Okay. Okay, can you say it for me?
My teachers inspire me to do well at school.
Yes, okay, inspires. Okay, we have to add an S on the end there. So can you tell me what's the definition? Can you remember?
It's make someone feel they want to do something.
Yes, good. Okay, can and want to. Very good. Okay, let's move on to our next page. I'm going to come back to this though. Okay. Let me clear there. Okay, let's look at our next word. What's in white? Disdain.
Disdain.
Okay, what is disdain?
Yes.
Tell me the definition.
The feeling of not liking someone or something and thinking that they do not deserve our interest or respect. The sentence I have a strong disdain for people who like to show off and brag out themselves.
Okay, so you really don't like that person and you don't think that anybody should give them any interest or respect because they are not a good person. Okay, I disdain people who kill other people. Okay, nobody should talk to them or love them because they kill other people. Okay,
Yes.
dread.
Dread is causing worry or fear.
Okay, causing worry or fear.
The sentence is medicine has conquered the direct infectious disease that one caused great damage to population across Europe.
Okay, so let's use a different sentence so I can help you with this word. Causing worry or fear. So if you say conquered, that means it's got over it. Okay, it's the winner. So medicine is the winner of dread diseases. Okay, so if something is dread, so even like the coronavirus is it's a dread infectious disease. Okay, because it makes people worry or fear. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
So you can even say, I dread the coronavirus that's going all over the world. Okay, happy?
Yes.
Okay. Anticipate.
Anticipate. It to imagine or expect something will happen.
Okay, sentence.
Sentence I have anticipated my friends might be late meeting me at such an early hour.
Okay, so anticipate, it means almost like you know it's going to happen. So I thought that was going to happen before it happened. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, meticulous or meticulously.
Meticulously is in a way that shows great care or attention to detail. I meticulously organized my briefcase so that I would be prepared for tomorrow's meeting with COE.
Okay, with the CEO. Do you understand meticulously?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, you happy? Can I take it away? Is there anything you want to ask me? Okay, let me explain it to you also. Meticulously means every little thing must be perfect. Okay, so even if I do like an artwork, so say this is my artwork, okay, but pretend there's a picture here. I have an artwork, but every little piece of that art, that picture must be perfect. There mustn't be anything that's wrong with that picture because I did it meticulously. Okay, everything in there I do with great care and attention to detail. Okay, so he meticulously organized his briefcase. He made his briefcase perfect so that when he opened it for the meeting, he knew exactly where everything is. Okay, okay, let's try. I will help you. Let me draw over here. Okay. Okay, inspire. Oh, sorry, disdain. We've done inspire. Disdain.
Is the feeling of someone you not like and they are dangerous and or they can do something bad.
Okay, yes. They don't deserve respect. They must not get respect or attention from anybody. Nobody must give them anything good. Okay, can you make a sentence for me?
I have a distance for people that's like that's do something don't respect other.
Yes, that's good. Okay, that don't respect others. Okay, I disdain people that don't respect others. Good. Okay. Dread. What does dread mean?
Is making worries or fears.
Yes. Okay. Can you give me a sentence?
I have a dread.
Or you say, I dread. I dread.
I dread about the coronavirus disease.
Yes, good. Okay. We say, I dread the coronavirus disease. It makes me scared and worried. Okay. But we say, I dread the coronavirus. Okay, good. Anticipate.
Like predict or expect something will be happen.
Yes. Okay. You imagine it's going to happen. Can you say the word anticipate for me?
I anticipate that I will have a good mark in the next year and in the next month exams because I have practice hard.
Yes, perfect. Okay, good. Okay, what's our next word?
Is meticulously.
Okay.
Is you have do something in a perfect way that
Yeah.
need do it attention make attention to the detail.
Attention to detail. Attention to detail. Okay, so you do it in a caring, perfect way with attention to detail. Okay, can you give me a sentence for meticulously?
Mm, I I always do my homework or project in a meticulously way.
Okay, you can say in a meticulous way. You can say, I do it meticulously, or if you want to say in a way, meticulous way. Okay, very good. I always do my homework meticulously so that I can get a good score or my teacher will be happy. Okay, very good. Well done. Now let's go. I'm going to ask you some questions and I want to see if you can answer them. Okay, first we will read them. Then I'm going to take away the answer and you're going to tell me, okay? Yes? Okay. Number one, at what time did you used to get up to go to school?
When I was a child, I used to have to wake up at the crack of dawn, crack
Crack,
of dawn,
crack.
and
Yes.
it was a Herculean effort because
Effort.
I often stayed up late the night binge watching Netflix before bed.
Okay. How did you feel about getting up early as a child?
During my primary school day, I was athletic to wake up, but I
Ecstatic. Okay, let me show you quickly. Okay, I want you to read it again. Okay, you say it like ecstatic. Okay, how did you feel about getting up early as a child?
during my primary school days, I was athletic to wake up. I had boundless energies and I was excited to go and meet my friends at school.
Okay, which teacher did you like best at school and why?
My favorite teacher is Miss Lala. I look up to her because he inspired confidence in my abilities and pushed me to see the value in hard work.
Okay, what did you particularly dislike about your school days?
Though I enjoyed school, I had a particular disdain for music class. I dreaded this class because I was shy and I didn't want to sing. Plus, many of the songs were dated and not cool to a young kid like me.
Okay, what did you look forward to most at school?
Like most children, I re- readily,
Readily, readily.
readily, I readily anticipated the start of the recess. Recess was the
Recess.
most recess Recess was the most exciting part of the day because I got to go outside and enjoy the playground with friends.
Okay. What skills did you learn at school that might be useful in your work?
In high school, I learned how to conduct research thoroughly and meticulously. I learned to sort through a vast amount of information and make sense of it so that I could write a good research paper. I think this improved my ability to take a long large task and divide it into pieces so that I
Pieces?
could pieces so that I could make it more solvable.
Okay, very good. So now I just want to show you how to pronounce the words. Okay, so teacher's going to answer the questions and you're going to listen how I talk. Okay, so
Yes.
you're going to ask me the question and I will answer and you're going to listen how I talk. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so number one.
At what time did you used to get up to work to the what time did you used to get up to go to school?
When I was a child, I used to have to wake up at the crack of dawn. It was a Herculean effort because I often stayed up late the night binge watching Netflix before bed.
How did you feel about getting up early as a child?
During my primary school days, I was ecstatic to wake up. I had boundless energy and I was excited to go and meet my friends at school.
Which teacher did you like best at school and why?
My favorite teacher was Miss Lala. I looked up to her because she inspired confidence in my abilities and pushed me to see the value in hard work.
What did you particularly dislike about school days?
Though I enjoyed school, I had a particular disdain for music class. I dreaded this class because I was shy and I didn't want to sing. Plus, many of the songs were dated and not cool to a young kid like me.
What 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 did you look forward to most at school?
Like most children, I readily anticipated the start of recess. Recess was the most exciting part of the day because I got to go outside and enjoy the playground with friends.
What skill did you learn at school that might be useful in your work?
In high school, I learned how to conduct research thoroughly and meticulously. I learned to sort through a vast amount of information and make sense of it so that I could write a good research paper. I think this improved my ability to take on a large task and divide it into pieces so that I could make it more solvable. Okay, good. So now I'm going to send this video to Mrs. Ha. You're going to watch it and you can listen how I talk, okay? Okay, but your talking is very good. It's just some words that you battle with. I know you got all the good words right. I just want you to get like ecstatic, ecstatic. Okay, and readily. Readily. There was another one which, okay, pieces. Pieces. Okay, so we still have some time. I'm going to ask you these questions again. Do you know these questions in your mind? If I take it away, will you answer?
Maybe.
Maybe we can try. Okay, maybe we read it one more time, then I take it away. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. At what time did you used to get up to go to school?
When I was a child, I used to have to wake up at the crack of dawn. It was a Herculean effort because I often stayed up late at night, binge watching Netflix before bed.
Okay, good. How did you feel about getting up early as a child?
During my primary school days, I was athletic to wake up, and I had a
Ecstatic.
ecstatic
Yes. Okay, you say
to wake up.
ecstatic.
Ecstatic to wake
Yes.
up. I have boundless energies, and I was excited to go and meet my friends at school.
Which teacher did you like best at school and why?
My favorite teacher was Miss Lala. I look up to her because he inspired confidence in my abilities and pushed me to see the value in hard work.
Okay. And what did you particularly dislike about your school days?
Though I enjoy school, I had a particular disdain for music class. I dreaded this class because I was shy and I didn't want to sing. Plus, many of the songs were dead and not cool to a young kid like me.
Okay, dated. What did you look forward to most at school?
Like most children, I readily anticipate
Readily.
readily I readily anticipated the start of recess. Recess was the most exciting part of the day because I got to go outside and enjoy the playground with friends.
Okay, what skills did you learn at school that might be useful in your work?
In high school, I learned how to conduct research thoroughly and meticulously. I learned to sort through a vast amount of information and make sense of it so that I could write a good research paper. I think this improved my abilities to take on a large task and divide it into pieces so that I
Pieces.
could make it more solvable.
Okay, very good. Okay, are you ready? We've got, let's see, 10 minutes left. I want to see if you can answer these questions. We'll just do one at a time. Okay. At what time did you used to get up to go to school?
When I was a child, I used to wake up in the crack of dawn.
At
Uh,
the crack of dawn?
at the crack of dawn is worth Herculean effort because I stay up late to watch Netflix before
Did
bed.
you just watch it or did you binge watch it?
I often stayed up late at the night to binge watching Netflix before bed.
Okay, very good. Okay, I'm going to leave that word there for you. How did you feel about getting up early as a child?
During my primary school days, I was ecstatic to wake up. I had
Ecstatic.
ecstatic
Yes, perfect.
to
Ecstatic.
wake up, and I had a powerless energy, and I was excited to meet my friends at school.
Okay, very good. Which teacher did you like best at school and why?
My favorite teacher was Miss Lala. She she uh she often inspire confident in my abilities and push me to see the value in hard work.
Okay. What did you particularly dislike about your school days?
Though I enjoy school, but I have a particular disdain for music class. I I dread this class because I was shy and I don't want to sing. Um, Moreover, many other songs were dead and I think it's not suitable for some kid like me.
Okay, we're dated.
Yes,
Okay. What did you look forward to most at school?
like small children, I readily anticipated uh, the start of
Recess.
recess,
Recess.
recess, recess. Recess was the most exciting part of the day because I can go outside and enjoy the playground with my friends.
Oh, very good. What skills did you learn at school that might be useful in your work?
In high school, I learned how to conduct the research thoroughly, meticulously, and I learned to to to
Meticulously. Okay, hold on.
and
I learned to sort through a vast.
I learned to sort through a vast amount of information and make sense of it so that and I could write a good research paper, and I think this will improve my abilities to take on a large task and divide it into a pieces
Into
so that
pieces.
pieces and so that I could make it more solvable.
Okay, I want to ask you the last one again. What skills did you learn at school that might be useful in your work?
In high school, I learned how to conduct research thoroughly and meticulously. I learned to sort through a vast amount of information and make sense of it so that I could write a good research, and I think this will improve my abilities to to take a large to take a long and to take a long task and divide it into pieces
Yes.
so that I could make it more solvable.
Yay, very, very good. Well done. Okay, are you happy with that?
Yes.
Is there anything that you don't understand? Any of these words you don't understand, you can ask me.
Is device.
Which one is it? Which question?
It's a question 6.
Okay. What is the word?
Divide.
Divide. Where is it? Over here? This word?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. If you divide it into pieces, it means that you can move it. So I'm going to show you a picture here. Let me draw it for you. Okay. So if we have a circle like this, okay. And then this is one circle. But now I want to divide the circle. I'm making it into 4 pieces. Okay, then you can move it this like this. Let me draw this here. Okay. Okay, so I'm taking this piece out. Where is? Oh no. Okay. Okay, so you divide it. So now I'm taking that, you can put that piece there, that piece there, that piece there. It's no longer 1, it's now 4. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so to take on a large task and divide it into pieces. So if this is a very large task, this is a large homework assignment. Now I know how to do one piece at a time, so it can be easier to do one piece. Okay, and more solvable. So I can do it if I make it into different pieces. Okay. Is there any other word you don't understand?
Thing is no.
You're okay? You understand everything? I don't want you to talk and you don't know what you're saying. Okay,
Yes,
do you know what solvable means?
yes.
Yes.
It's easy to solve.
Yes, solvable. Okay, that means I can do it. I can solve it. Okay, let's see. What is boundless?
Is there more? A lot of
Yeah. Okay, boundless means that there's no stop. There's lots and lots and lots. There's no stopping it. Okay, very good. I think you got everything. I just want you to say this word for me.
dated.
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 Okay, very good. Anything else? We've got 2 more minutes. Is there anything else that you want to ask?
Is effort.
Effort.
Question 1.
Okay. Effort means that you're trying very hard. You put a lot of work into it. Okay, so if I work very hard on this, it means I'm putting in a lot of effort. Okay, so it's like you work very hard. So sometimes if you do a project at school and you work very hard on that project, you do it for 7 days. The teacher can see that you put in a lot of effort, then you get a good score. Okay, but if you do the project in 1 hour, the teacher can see that you did not put in a lot of effort, then you get a bad score. Okay, so we use our word here, Herculean, which is a big, strong effort. Okay, so it was very difficult. It was a lot of effort to get up because I was binge watching the whole night. Okay. Happy? Yes, okay. Okay, so now you're just going to make sure that you know it all in your mind. So then when you do the test and they ask you the questions, then you know everything.
Yes.
Yes, okay, good job. I will see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye, Min. See you again.